Good morning viewer, welcome in the class of interactive dashboards in Tableau. Dashboard is a graphic user interface which provides at a glance view of the key performance indicator on a given topic. You can read more about dashboards on Wikipedia. So for the present tutorial, I am going to use MBA student database. This is a link where this data is there. This is a tiny URL and you can also mail me to get this data. So under this data, I have provided 1402 unique records. I have provided the registration number, 1402 unique names of the student, their date of birth ranging between 1986 to 1999. Student belongs to 404 unique cities, 29 states including UT. This data is only for India. I have provided the data of 10 different kind of the MBA programs and that too 8 unique specialization areas. Out of 1402 students, I have shown 904 students are placed in 127 unique companies with an average of 4.39, lowest package is 2.16 and highest goes to 8.5. I also have provided the percentage marks of 10th, 12th and graduation of the students. So I want to create an interactive dashboard with the help of filters. I want to show state-wise average package, program-wise average package, specialization-wise and the gender-wise. So this is a kind of dashboard I want to show. Let me to demonstrate now. So I am just I want to create this kind of the dashboard. So this is my gender wise, this is specialization area wise, program wise and the state wise. I want to see presently the highest package is in the state Tripura 6.25 and this is a specialization wise. I want to see and the percentage, this is a male and female. The package is 4.23 and 4.45. This is a 62% female are placed, 66% male are placed. Let's see how it moves in MBA IT. MBA Information Technology. Now this is 60 and 63. The highest state is now the West Bengal with this package. I want to see for the BTech MBA. If I go to BTech MBA, the highest state with the package is a Tamil Nadu now. So if I want to look at the MBA Supply Chain and Logistic, more number of females are placed vis-a-vis of the male. Only 48% of males are placed. MBA Agribusiness, only male are placed and highest package goes to state Punjab. MBA International Business, so it moves like this. I just click on any of the thing, so my whole things will get changed as per the selected cell only. So this is my interactive dashboards. So if I look at the average package, male wise, it's Manipur with the highest package of 7.5. In case of female, this is like this. So now I want to see how this kind of the dashboard is created in Tableau. So I'm opening a new sheet, new Tableau workbook. I just want to connect to file. It might take few seconds to get connected. So already have created an Excel file, so want to create it. So this is my MBA student data. I am trying to load this data on Tableau, so it might take few seconds now. The query is under execution. Okay, so I put this data. This is my data. Serial number, registration number, name, date of birth, city, state, country, gender, program, 10, 12, graduation percentage, then specialization area, placement company. I can show you the Excel view also. This is the Excel view of the same data. Serial number, registration number, name, gender, city, state, country, program, 10, 12, graduation percentage, specialization area, placement company and package. Placement company name is provided only for those cases where student is placed. The cases where student is not placed has been kept blank and so on with the package. So now this is my sheet and I am moving to sheet number 1. So my first I want to create it as a state wise package. So I put state to the column. This is my package. So instead of sum of package, I want as a average package. Now I want to arrange it in ascending order. I want to mark the label on. Okay, this is my state wise package. This is sheet 1. I can rename this also state wise average package. I rename this as a, you find presently the sheet name is sheet 1. Once I will rename, automatically it goes to a state-wise average package. I want to make second sheet. So I want to create a visualization like this. So I need a state-wise, specialization-wise, program-wise, as well as the gender-wise. So I need a program-wise. Okay, program-wise I need the, instead of vertical bars I need horizontal bars. So this is my program. I put it to rows. This is package. I put it here. Instead of sum, I want to show at a average. Want to rename this. This is program wise average package. Fine, automatically it names like this. So I want to mark the label on and want to arrange it in a order. Okay, now I want is my specialization wise. So I put to column specialization. This is my package. Instead of sum, again I want to go ahead with the average package. I want to go ahead with the average package. I want to mark the label on. Okay, so I want to arrange it in a order. Done. So I can rename this also. I am renaming this specialization wise average package. Okay, now last is a gender wise. Let me rename this first. Gender wise average package. Okay, so gender wise I put gender to row shelf, package to this place. Instead of sum I need average. Done. But I don't want this kind of chart. If I click to show me, I can use this kind of the chart. Presently the size in, okay, let the package I want to make to label. Instead of label I don't want a sum, rather I want a average. Average package is being reflected here. Secondly, the presently the size of this is has been marked or has been mapped vis-a-vis average package. I want this size of the bar of this round or this circle should be based upon the placement percentage. For this I need to create one more calculation. I am creating a calculation, create calculated field. I am saying placement percentage. Okay, so I am saying count. I know placement company name I have given only in those cases where student is placed. Where the student is not placed, I put it empty. So this is again count. Name has been given for all the students. So total place divided by total number of student multiplied by 100 automatically becomes my placement percentage. Okay, so I have one more field now, placement percentage. Size, instead of I am removing it here, so placement percentage I am putting to my size card. So now this size is being mapped with the, again I want to show this to under a label also. So this is my the package and this is a placement percentage. Okay, I can go to tooltip and could name it also. Gender, like let it be, this is the average package. Okay, let me to name this also, average package, and this is a placement percentage. Placement percentage. I say okay. So now once I go to tooltip, it's reflecting like this. So under okay, now I want to create a dashboard. I'm just going to dashboard. So this is my sheet number 1 state-wise package. I will move it later. Okay, this is, I just want to showcase This is my gender. I want to create the same kind of the graph only. This is my gender, done. This is my state wise at the bottom. Okay, so now instead of this fixed size, I want a automatic layout. So gender, I don't, it's already coming in filter also, I don't need it. So this is my, afterward I want to have a specialization wise. This is my specialization wise. Okay, next is a program wise, done. So I want to now reduce the make a appropriate sizes. Okay, I think it seems okay. So once I go to this kind of view, now if I'm clicking at mail, there is no interactivity in this chart. If I'm clicking at any other place, okay, I'm going to a entire view, so I'm clicking at entrepreneurship, no other change. Click outside, I'm clicking at MBA hospital and healthcare, it is not interactive, it is not changing. I want to make it interactive. It's simple. Once I go to this my dashboard view, I need to click at this button, use as filter. Now we need to make sure in all the sheets we are using all these sheets as a filter also. Now once we click all these sheets as a filter, these all sheets are interconnected now. They all are working as a filter for other sheets. So now if I click for MBA IT, now look, my whole graph has get changed if I'm clicking for this program only. I want to see for BTech MBA. Now this is all for BTech MBA. Okay. Similarly, I want to look at for MBA supply chain. So MBA supply chain, female is now this circle is broader and this is now narrow circle because I have shaped this circle based upon the placement percentage. MBA agribusiness, only male are placed, no female, as we have shown previously. This is MBA international business, simple MBA. Similarly, I can go to MBA honors also. So this is reflecting all the changes. This is our interactivity. Now I want to give a title to my dashboard also. So giving a title to dashboard is easy. Just click here, show dashboard title. So you automatically reach here. So instead, by default, it is coming as a sheet name. Sheet name is dashboard 1. That is why it's reflecting as a dashboard 1. I want to rename this as MBA placement status average package. I want to make it bold. I want to make it centered. Apply. Okay. So if I go to entire view, now you find the header is also already there. So what if I want to remove this gender wise average package, specialization wise average package and so on. I want to remove this sheet names under the various under this views, these visualization. Once I go to the advantage of using a dashboard is, if I want to go to a sheet, once I click to a particular sheet and there is this button, this go to sheet, automatically once I click here, I just move to this sheet. I will once I click at this header gender wise, remove this, say apply, okay. So now this has been removed. Even if now I go to my dashboard, for this sheet, the title has not there. So if I go to this is specialization wise. Now the advantage is, previously I did it from the dashboard, but now I am removing my title from this sheet. I am working on the sheet now. Double click. I am just sheet name. I am removing this. Why? The sheet name is by default is a header. I said apply. Okay. Now if I go to my dashboard, you will see under my dashboard, this has gone. Specialization wise and program wise I want to remove. This is the program wise. Double click, remove this, say apply, okay. And similarly, now if I go to, this is all not been there. Specialization wise, simply if I double click, again I will reach here, I remove it here, apply. So whatever the changes I am making in my dashboard, automatically this is applicable to my sheet and vice versa also. So I hope I am able to make sense out of this video. So I assume that you have already liked this video, you have already subscribed this channel. If not, so kindly do it now. Thank you for watching this video, and for any kind of help, please, you can mail me, you can call me. Thank you very much for viewing.